Hello again. So now I will demonstrate results of my work. I just completed refurbishing of the deck for my subscriber. It's nice GX-Z7100 limited. It's improved version. So let me demonstrate you first how this tape recorded on Sony K5 will sound on 9100 I have. Installed into 7100. So let you compare how it sounds. Okay, as you've seen, it sounds exactly the same, levels are the same, everything is fine. So it was Sony UX Pro tape. Let's install something from pre-recorded tapes. So let's start again from the 9100.
Hold on to show her you care. That's all you have to do. Give her all. Give her your love.
Yeah, this tape recorded a little bit hot. On all my decks it shows up to plus 6 decibel. But you see, house place.
Give her some things are just meant to be, like two people falling in love. Somehow you have.
Okay, I hope you liked it. So next piece, I don't need this deck anymore. We will be recording songs on the 3 different tape types. Make sure I have something nice for you tonight. And let me start from metal tape. So we'll use GX Pro. My measurement shows that this deck now records well tape 1 and tape 4 1920 kilohertz and tape 2 18 kilohertz for some reason, a bit lower. Let's calibrate the tape. So we need a little bit increase level and a little bit bias. That's it. Good. Reset. Record. I will be switching between tape and source. Start the tape line. Source. Let me know when you hear the difference. was fine. I'm not sure if you can mention any difference. I hear just his edit. Then chrome tape, say 90. Let's calibrate quickly. Done. Continue recording on the normal tape. Let's calibrate it quickly. Done. Let's rewind a little bit. Now I can understand why millions of people love Akai in this world. So I hope you enjoyed. I will pack deck and ship it over tomorrow. Thank you a lot and have a good night.